Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve your audio problem or any of the solved problem which you face in Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So for example, you have some problem with the sound in your Windows 10 operating system. So let's see step by step what you can do to troubleshoot the problem or even solve this problem. So the first step is to go to your sound icon. Here is my sound icon. And in here, just make sure that your volume bar is not on the left side. So when it's light, this is muted. And you will not be able to hear any sound. Probably this is not the problem. So the next step, what you can do here is to go to your search box. And here just search for device manager. So search for device manager here, and the first option which you will find here is device manager, which is inside this control panel. So just click this device manager, and it is here. It's going to open all the devices which are supported on your Windows 10 operating system. And from here you can manage your devices. So in here, where you need to search for sound radio and controller, which is this option, sound radios and gain controllers. And here just expand it. You will find two drivers or only one, this high definition audio driver. Right click it and click this properties option. Now in the general tab, you can see the device status that your device is working properly. And in the driver section, here is an option to update your driver. Simply click this update driver and simply ignore this first option that says search automatically for drivers. Instead, click this browse by computer for drivers. Now click this let me pick from a list of available drivers on your computer. Click it. You'll find a list of drivers, maybe 2, 3, or 1 depending upon the drivers installed on your operating system. Simply click this here, the high definition audio driver. Simply click next. That's going to update all the drivers related to audio in your computer. So just make sure this update, and once the update finish, just once restart your computer and check for the audio if your audio problem is solved or not. Most probably your audio problem will be solved, but if it is not solved, then we have the next option. This does not solve your problem. Once more, you have the next option. So I am again in the device manager. So I will find again sound videos and gain controllers, expand this and select this high definition audio again and right click it and click this install device. Okay, so remember this option you only need to do if your audio problem is not solved by updating the driver. Okay, so just uninstall your driver and just restart your computer once again. So when you restart your computer, it's automatically going to, install this driver for you. Okay, and this probably install your problem. So uninstall this driver and just restart your computer, so it's going to solve. And check your audio once again, and if it's solved, then that's okay. But if it does not solve, then we have the last option for you. You need to close this device manager and move your cursor on audio icon. Right-click your audio icon and click this open sound settings. Then click this sound control panel. A new window then open. Make sure this speaker and headphone is appear on this window. It is selected by default. Does that? This selected, simply choose it, and here click properties and a new window. In the new window, click this advanced tab. In advanced tab, you will find here a frequency of your stereo quality. Expand it and select with the different option. Click this test option. Once you click this test option, you will find some audio level appearing on this speaker section like green color. So I am clicking this test option, and here I can see audio level is appeared. So if not, if in your case this not happen, simply select another option and then click this test option. So only keep that option which matches with this original. Simply select and click this apply and then OK. So these are the methods you can try to fix your audio problems in your Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel, or if you have any another issue, write comment down. I'll try to make video on it. Thanks for watching.